Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a celebrity inspired makeup look. I'm gonna be trying out this Lori Harvey makeup look right here. It is so beautiful, perfect for summer because it's not doing too much. It's very dewy and light and still super glam. Using the new Nova Beauty collection. It is officially and exclusively only sold at Fashion Nova. Super affordable. So yeah, let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna take the bronze palette. And let me just say this, that the packaging feels super expensive and heavy. It doesn't feel cheap or like plasticky at all. You would have never thought this is from Fashion Nova or super inexpensive, but yeah, and it's pretty. I'm gonna take their I-05 brush and just dip it into this shade right here. Lightly starting to press that in and then just kind of blend it upwards. Next, I'm gonna take their Smokey palette into this shade right here. So I'm just taking that same brush and I'm gonna be applying this towards the outer V and kind of blending it inwards towards the inner part of the eye, just to kind of give it that like brown vibe that she has, because it's looking a little too orangey for me right now. I will say these eyeshadows are pretty easy to blend. They're not giving me a lot of fallout, if any at all, as you guys can see, and my foundation is wet, so I'm kind of like taking a risk here with that one. Next, I'm gonna take their I-04 brush into the shade Lucid. I'm going to highlight out of my brow bone because her brow bone looks extremely highlighted. So that's what we're gonna go for. Pretty. Now to create that kind of smoky liner that she has, I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade called Fronting, and I'm using that same brush. We're just gonna smoke out the wing. Just lightly, because hers doesn't look like it's super smoked out with the brown. It's more like the black. This brush is perfect for this because it's kind of pointy in the front, so it gives you that super sharp wing. Now to really smoke out that wing, we're gonna go into the shade Mood, which is just a matte black shade. I'm just tapping that on. I am using the brush number 2, and still no fallout. So next, I'm gonna take the Nova Beauty Talk to You Later gel liner in black, and I'm just going to draw kind of a baby wing. This liner is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it has kind of like a little bit of shimmer to the black, which makes your eyes pop. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my foundation, and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade right here and just smoke out the lower lash line. I'm just taking that black matte shade that we use for the wing and just kind of smoking that even more out. So it looks like she has no lashes on, but I need some falsies. So I'm gonna go in with these. These are in the style 30. They look pretty natural, so they shouldn't like change the look. So for lips, she has kind of like a nude peachy kind of lip going on. So I'm going to go in with the Nova Beauty Brown 1 lip liner. This is literally one of my favorite lip liners right now. I'm going to take the other side of the lip liner and just blend that out. For lipstick, I'm gonna take the shade Tone. It's kind of peachy in person. I don't know why it looks so nude on camera, but I'm just gonna apply it in the center of my lips. Now for gloss, I'm gonna use the shade Thirsty, which is kind of this peachy, kind of shimmery lip gloss, but it's so pretty on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it came out pretty close to the look. I feel like mine is kind of a little bit more dramatic, maybe because of the lashes, but besides that, they look pretty similar. I just want to thank my friends at Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video. Let me know in the comments what look you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys on the next one.